In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create embroidery designs in Canva. If you want to plan a custom embroidery project without dealing with messy sketches, wasted materials, or complicated software, Canva can be a really practical place to start. It gives you simple tools to map out your layout, organize your design, and create a clean pattern you can print or trace later. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and create a new custom design. This part is important because one of the biggest mistakes people make is designing in random screen sizes instead of using real-world measurements. Click Create a Design, choose Custom Size, and change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter the size you want for your embroidery layout. For example, you can use 8 inches by 8 inches for a square design space that feels balanced and easy to work with. Once that's entered, create the new design and let the blank canvas load. Next, you'll want to set up a visual hoop guide. This helps you stay inside a realistic stitching area so your design doesn't spread too far beyond where it can actually fit. On the left side, open Elements, then go to the Lines and Shapes section and add a circle to the page. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it so it fills your usable area. Then go to the top toolbar and remove the fill color so the middle stays transparent. Adjust the border style to a clean line weight around 2 or 3 and choose a neutral border color like tan or brown. That circle now acts as your hoop boundary. Once that guide is in place, you can add the main graphic elements. Go back to Elements and use the search bar to look for simple vector-style artwork. Terms like line art floral, botanical outline, or minimalist geometric vector work well because they give you clean shapes that are much easier to trace or interpret as stitches. Filter the results to graphics, then choose a design with crisp outlines and place it inside your hoop. After that, add any text you want included in the design. Open the text panel, add a text box, and type your wording inside the hoop area. Then use the top toolbar to experiment with fonts. Clear, bold, or smooth script styles tend to work best for embroidery because they're easier to stitch cleanly. Try to avoid fonts with overly tiny details or complicated inner shapes. Finally, review the whole design carefully. Make sure everything looks balanced, aligned, and safely contained within the circular hoop guide. When you're happy with it, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF print as the file type. This keeps your sizing accurate and gives you a sharp file for printing or tracing. That's it. You now have a clean embroidery design layout created in Canva and ready for your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.